back. I'm Ken, and this is Ken's Guitar Workshop. And you made me remember about 2.5 months ago, I was going to do a fret bending shootout with a couple different fret benders. I started out with this one that I made from plans I found online, and I found out that you'd always end up with way too much fret at the end that didn't get bent, and that is because these wheels are so far apart, which is basically the same way the Stumac bender is. So I wanted to find a fret bender that had those wheels closer together, because in my mind you're going to get more of your fret bent. So I picked up this one from Philadelphia Luthier Supply Company, and I was going to do a shootout between that one and one that's been dubbed the Bendinator from GuitarBuilderOnline.com. When I went to the website, they were out of stock, and I emailed the guy and asked him if whenabouts he was going to be back in stock again. Never got back to me. I emailed him a second time, and about a week later he got back to me and he said that he was in the process of moving and he would be up and running again in a couple of weeks. Well, that was 3 weeks, almost a month ago. And if you go to GuitarBuilderOnline.com now, the site is gone. It's been taken down. So I don't know what's going on with the guy. Maybe he's putting up another site, or maybe he just decided to stop making them. I checked Reverb and I checked eBay, and his fret bender is nowhere to be found. So shootout is a bust. But what I can tell you about this one is the wheels are nice and close together on the bottom, so you get almost the entire fret bent. I mean, maybe there is, you know, a quarter of an inch or 2/3 of an inch that's unbent. That you can live with. That I can live with. But the main thing with these two wheels being so close together, that's where the fret rides and that's what it bends on. The adjustments are wicked minute. You have to really be gentle with this dial right here when making adjustments to it, because like a quarter of a turn will just tighten it up way too much, and then you end up with a ring about this big of frets, you know, instead of having a nice 12-inch radius. But once you dial it in, it runs nice, silky smooth. I mean, you can't even hear it moving. You know, it's nice bearing in there. I think this was I think I paid like $68 for it. I'd call it a good value, and I would definitely buy another one if this one broke. Or I'm telling you, you guys should buy one if you're looking for one. I would go with this rather than the Stumac one, because first of all, their bending wheels are spaced too far apart, so you end up with too much of a fret at the end that's not bent, and the price is insane. What is it, 170 something bucks for a fret bender? This is a better fret bender than the Stumac version for $100 less. Can't go wrong. Anyway, sorry, no shootout, but I spent a week and a half searching online to try and find the Bendinator, and they're nowhere to be found. Can't get them new, can't get them used. That's the way it goes. What are you gonna do? So, until next time, you guys take it easy. Oh, why don't we give away a pick? It's a bone pick. Weighs 2 grams. It's 1.6 millimeter thickness. Nice looking pick. We got a genuine leather pick pouch key ring. You put it on your keys and take it with you everywhere you go. Let's think of a question. Okay, here's the question. First person that gets it right in the comments wins the pick and the pouch. All right. A while back, I built a Telecaster style guitar body out of a cutting board that I bought from IKEA. What species of wood was that cutting board? All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. First person to get it right in the comments wins the pick, and then I'll get in touch with you and we'll get it out to you. So, you behave yourself. Peace.